Welcome back to my channel. Today is all about achieving that radiant glow and boosting your confidence to new heights. Show some love with a thumbs up and join our beauty-loving family by subscribing. Remember, you're beautiful just the way you are. Stay beautiful, stay confident. We're diving into 10 beauty tips that will help you look and feel your absolute best. No matter if you're a seasoned makeup artist or just beginning your skincare journey, these tips are for everyone. From the basics of skincare to the power of confidence, we're covering it all. So let's jump right in. It all starts with a good skincare routine. Imagine your skin as a canvas. It needs to be clean and smooth before you can create a masterpiece. That's where cleansing comes in. It removes the dirt and grime of the day, leaving your skin refreshed and ready for the next step. The next move is toning. Think of it as the prep work. It restores the pH balance of your skin and preps it for moisturizing. Speaking of moisturizing, it's like adding the protective sealant to your masterpiece. It locks in hydration, keeping your skin soft and supple. And let's not forget about sunscreen. It's your armor against the harsh sun rays during the day. It protects your skin from premature aging and pigmentation. Remember, your skin is unique. It may take some trial and error to find the perfect routine for you, but once you do, stick to it. After all, consistency is key. Hydrated skin is happy skin. A simple statement, but one that carries a lot of weight in the beauty world. Water is a crucial component of our bodies, making up about 60% of our total body weight. It's not just for quenching thirst or cooling down on a hot day, it plays a vital role in maintaining the health and vitality of our skin. The skin, being the largest organ in our body, needs a steady supply of water to function optimally. When we hydrate, we're not just moisturizing our skin from the outside, but also from the inside. Hydration helps to flush out toxins, aids in skin elasticity, and can even give our complexion a more radiant and glowing appearance. So, if you're looking to unlock the secrets to radiant skin, the answer might be as simple as staying hydrated. Remember, beauty isn't just skin deep. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin glowing from the inside out. Incorporate fruits, veggies, and antioxidants into your diet for that natural glow. The saying, "You are what you eat," holds a significant amount of truth, especially when it comes to skin health. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables provides your skin with essential vitamins and antioxidants that contribute to a radiant complexion. Leafy greens, citrus fruits, and berries are packed with these skin-loving nutrients. Don't forget about healthy fats either. Foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help keep your skin hydrated and plump. And of course, hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking fresh and dewy. Lastly, try to limit your intake of processed foods and sugars, as they can lead to inflammation and breakouts. Remember, a balanced diet is not only good for your overall health, but it is also an essential part of your skincare routine. A colorful diet for a colorful glow. Get your beauty sleep. A well-rested face is a happy face. We've all heard this saying, right? But what does it really mean? Well, during sleep, your skin goes into repair mode. It's the time when your body works to remove dead blood cells and replace them with new ones, leading to that fresh face glow we all love. And it's not just about the quantity of sleep you're getting, but the quality too. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. This will allow your body to go through all the necessary stages of sleep, including the all-important deep sleep phase, where the magic really happens. And here's a pro tip. Make your sleep environment as comfortable as possible. A cool, dark, and quiet room can significantly improve your sleep quality. So, invest in some good blackout curtains and perhaps even a white noise machine. Sleep tight and wake up bright. Less is more. That's a phrase you've likely heard before, but when it comes to makeup, it's an approach that can work wonders. Makeup is a fantastic tool that allows you to express your style and creativity, but the real magic happens when it's used to enhance, not hide. Think of your face as a canvas. Your features are the art, and makeup is the spotlight that illuminates their beauty. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you should ditch your favorite bold lipstick or colorful eyeshadow palette. Far from it. Those are fantastic ways to make a statement and feel fabulous. But remember, makeup should be a friend to your features, not a mask. A touch of mascara to enhance your lashes, a dab of blush to bring out your cheekbones, a swipe of gloss to highlight your lips. In essence, it's about celebrating and enhancing what makes you, you. So go ahead, use makeup to highlight your natural beauty. Don't underestimate the power of well-groomed brows. They frame your face beautifully. Yes, it's all about the brows today. Brows are like the unsung heroes of our faces, often overlooked, yet they hold such an important role. They provide structure, balance, and they can even change the whole look of your face with just a few strokes of a pencil or a brush. Think of your brows as a picture frame for your eyes. Just as a good frame enhances a painting, well-groomed brows enhance your eyes, making them pop and stand out. Whether you prefer them bushy and natural or sleek and defined, there's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to brows. The key is to work with what you've got and make the most of your natural shape. So grab your brow tools and let's get to work. Remember, it's not about creating the perfect brow, it's about creating the perfect brow for you. Frame your face with your brows. Keep your hair healthy and well-maintained. Does that sound like a simple beauty tip? It's more than that. Your hair can be a source of confidence, a crowning glory that can make you feel like $1,000,000 when it's looking its best. The journey to healthy hair starts from the roots. Invest in a good quality shampoo and conditioner that suits your hair type. Regular trims are also essential to keep split ends at bay and maintain a neat appearance. But it's not all about the physical aspects. Hair care is also about nurturing your hair from within. A balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals will ensure your hair gets the nutrients it needs to grow strong and healthy. Remember, it's not about having the perfect hair, but about taking care of what you have and loving it. So invest time in taking care of your hair. It's a form of self-care and self-love. After all, confidence starts with good hair days. Exercise increases blood flow, bringing that natural flush to your cheeks. That's right, a good workout is not just about toning those muscles or shedding a few pounds. It's also a fantastic way to enhance your skin's health and radiance. When you exercise, your heart rate increases, pumping more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. This helps to revive and rejuvenate your skin, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. Regular exercise also helps to reduce stress and balance hormones, both of which can contribute to breakouts and skin inflammation. So whether you're a fan of yoga, love a good run, or prefer to dance your heart out, any form of physical activity can contribute to a healthier, happier complexion. And remember, it's not about the intensity of the workout, but rather the consistency. So find a form of exercise you enjoy and make it a part of your regular routine. Get moving for a natural glow. Take time for self-care. Now this is something we often overlook in the hustle and bustle of daily life. But remember, self-care rituals are essential, not only for our skin but for our overall well-being. It's about more than just face masks and bubble baths, although those certainly have their place. It's about setting aside time for yourself, to rest, rejuvenate, and recharge. You see, our skin is a reflection of our inner health. When we're stressed or tired, it shows. That's why it's important to nurture not only our bodies but also our minds. Whether it's through meditation, reading a book, or simply taking a leisurely walk in the park, find what soothes your soul and make it a part of your routine. Remember, beauty is not just skin deep, it's a holistic process that involves the body, mind, and spirit. So set aside time to take care of you. After all, it's not just about looking good but feeling good too. And the most important tip of all, always wear your confidence. Confidence is an unseen but powerful accessory that can transform your look and how you perceive yourself. It's the sparkle in your eye, the lift in your step, and the radiant glow that no beauty product can replicate. It's about embracing who you are, flaws and all, and loving yourself unconditionally. When you wear confidence, you tell the world that you are comfortable in your own skin. You don't need to be perfect, nor do you need to live up to anyone else's standards of beauty. Your beauty is unique to you, and that's what makes it so special. So start each day with a positive affirmation, a smile, and a good dose of self-love. Remember, the way you view yourself sets the tone for how others perceive you. So let your confidence shine through. After all, you're beautiful just the way you are. There you have it, beauties. We've journeyed through essential beauty tips from skincare basics, hydration, diet, and beauty sleep, to enhancing makeup, brow grooming, hair care, exercise, self-care, and the ultimate accessory, confidence. If these tips resonated with you, show some love with a thumbs up and join our beauty-loving family by subscribing. Remember, you're beautiful just the way you are. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.